Oh, it started on the first shot. Should be enough. All right, well, we're back. We're back like maybe like, I don't know, half hour, 45 minutes after the live ended. The live actually ended by YouTube. It literally said that I got booted from the server. I have no idea why. Maybe it had something to do with me and fairy cows or something. I have no idea, but you can see the time right there. Hey, Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 12:57 a.m.
12:57 a.m. Thank you very much.
It is 12:57 a.m.
Yeah, I already heard you, honey. I already heard you, honey. All right, so I just started doing some stupid stuff. So I couldn't find that gasket. So what I did is I took a basically took a double layer of foam here. Took a double layer of foam and I created my own gasket. So tedious. I used the scissors and I cut the double-sided stick tape. So it's 2 layers of double-sided stick tape. Seems like it works. We have the servo plugged in. Obviously, I think this wire was done. Like I did this wire on camera, I believe. I do have to put the other thing there. I have no idea how I lost that gasket, man. It's very, very frustrating. But anyways, this bolt's on fine. Now I need to mount the ESC. And, man, I am going to do the dual lock in there. I just wish there was a way to mount it. You know what I mean? Like, I feel like I want to really mount it inside there. So, there's that. I obviously need to do it like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I got to do it. I got to do it so it's right. I thought about seeing if I could maybe strap down the ESC with some type of like a strap system or something, but I think that's kind of going a little nuts. I don't think those holes are through holes. No, they're not. Because see, like what I was thinking is like if I could somehow, you know what I mean? Like I really want this thing mounted in there. I am going to flip these down. These are going to just flip down, plug right in, real short wires, perfect for the size, put them in. Switch, we'll figure that out later. It's an awful big switch. Take all of that, throw that inside of there. So maybe that's what I should do right now is take the ESC thing here and feed that down and in. So what I want to do is kind of flatten this down, find the spot for it, and it's right there. So the spot that I want to get that in is right there. I just gotta like move that stuff out of the way a little bit so I can jam this down and in there. Yeah, it's right there. So go like that and just kind of carefully feed it in without wrecking anything. There we go. And then take my little pliers that I got here, needle nose. Take these little needle nose, grab the wire, and just kind of pull it up like this. So kind of like feed it down, and have it so that, I believe I have it so that that wire would go in nice. Yeah, there we go. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay, that's what I wanted to see. So I want to get all the wires really tucked and down in there. You know what I mean? I want to make this look, I want to make it look good, you know? So we got the ESC wire tucked in there. This antenna wire, I'm going to bring that over because that mounts, I believe, in the middle. If I can find the little antenna thing. Where did the antenna thing go now? Would I lose that too? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Dude, seriously, if I lost that, there's no way. No, there's no way I lost that. If I lost that, I'm fired. Ah, there it is. Okay, so I didn't lose it. Alright, so here's the little antenna deal. So I just want to make sure that I've got enough for those wires to kind of go down. So that looks about right. Got that little loop there. This I'm not worried about. There's nothing else. There's no lights. There's no sensor for the motor, which I thought was kind of weird. The X-Max has the sensor. I've got the sensor here somewhere, but the X-Max has the sensor. I'm going to stop making stupid mistakes again, and I don't want that to happen. So I think I should go ahead and throw this in place with the dual lock. That's all I've got left. Oh no, man. This is all I've got left for the dual lock. I don't think that's enough. Oh man. If I do a strip that way and then a strip that way, I've got enough. If I do it this way and that way, it kind of sticks over. So I think I can do it. I think I'll do it this way. So I think that's it, right? Yeah. All right. So I'm going to just do that right there. Looks like it's got kind of like a natural bend. Okay. And then obviously I'll just cut it right there. Basically just do the same thing here. I could bend it like I just did. So that's like right there. Wow. I had just enough. Gotta get more of this stuff. Stuff is great. Alright. So that's that. So now it's going to be me taking a little bit of time here for the placement of that. So I just want to make sure I get it absolutely perfect. So I'm going to move you guys over here for a second. I think what I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and stick it on the bottom of the ESC first. So let's look at that. That's going to be... Whoa, that's going to be right there. And then I'll peel off the other side. Stick that right there. And I'll go ahead and peel these off. I really feel like I wish there was a way to hard mount it down. Alright, so here we go. This is it. This is it. It's going in hot. Oh man. Gotta have it straight. Psychosis here. It's getting the best of me. Before I crank it down, I just want to make sure it's in there and it's... Oh no, it's it. It needed to go like a millimeter that way. Alright. I just want to make sure that's really on there. You know what I'm saying? Alright, it is in there. It's not solid though, it's weird. It's got like a rock to it. See that? It's like the dual lock has like a funky little... It's locked in, but it's not... It's got a little bit of rock to it. Isn't that weird? But the stickum is fully down. It's just literally the gap that's in between the little grips. So... That's it. That was it. So it looks like this will be plugging in, ba-boom, like this, into there. So I guess that's good. Alright. Yep. Bam or bam. Oh, bam, like that. Alright. So that's good. Put that wire down in there. Let's get you in a little bit deeper here. We are 100% locked down on that ESC. Got to figure out the switch location. That wire's in place. That wire's in place. This I'm going to go ahead and mount down now. That's for the antenna. So the antenna actually comes out. Okay, so where's the antenna come out? Anywhere? Kind of looks like the antenna comes out of anywhere. So I'm going to do that for now. I'll go ahead and throw this in. Crap. Oh, I see. Okay. I got to use the 1.5 to pull the set screw out of there. And then pull the antenna tube out. Put the antenna inside the tube. Like that. And then put this like that. And that's how it was. Then put the set screw back in so that the tube stays in like that. Okay. Switch out of there. So that's a lot of antenna. So that means I can go ahead and use my little pliers here to basically pull the antenna back. Okay. Put that like that. Put this on there. Is that going all right? Yep. It actually is. Okay. Here we go. So that goes there. I need 2 screws. What the heck size screws are those? Wow. That's a big screw. Nah, that ain't right. No way. It's these. I think that's when I used these golden screws. Does this go in first? No, it doesn't matter. Okay. Golden screws. They look better, don't they? They look better than the rust screws that I got in there. Alright, there we go. It's in there. Antenna wire. Pulled all the way in. Alright, so let's kind of keep this antenna wire right there and away from everything else. I mean, it goes into everything anyway, but you know what I mean? Just kind of keep it like right there by itself kind of deal. This needs to go into the next channel, which that was 1, 1, and then 2. Black was on the outside signal wires to the inside, so steering, throttle. And I'll keep this wire on this side. Again, it doesn't really matter, but might as well kind of be somewhat consistent. So just like that. Keep that tucked in there. Keep that tucked there. That looks like that will stay in there nice. Everything's away from each other. Now take the box, put that on, and then the final 2 screws to lock down this. Although, I may need to... Do I need to? Oh, no, I don't. I won't need to. What am I talking about? Because I can reach through. That's the whole point of Traxxas. Traxxas makes things easy. Yeah, right. They don't make anything easy. Okay, let's get this in place. Seems good. Oh, it sounded good. Sound like a posi lock. Just use compressed air to see how sealed this box is. I feel like it's pretty sealed. Okay, I could reach down, touch that switch. Perfect. Okay, that works. So we've got that all connected up. This ESC was already calibrated to something. I'm gonna most likely have to use the programmer, but I'm gonna go ahead and stick these wires in right now anyway. So I get that one into there, get this one into here, and then this one into here. Alright, there we go. It looks mint. Doesn't that look good? It just looks good. That just looks nice. Dang, this thing is getting... Oh! Oh, but what is this going to plug into? It's not long enough. Ah, I got to turn that around. You dummy. Damn it. All right. I'll be back. You see what I did, right? I gotta turn this around. Crap! How am I gonna do that? Okay. There's screws on that side too. I think that, oh man. Does that actually reach through? Oh, it does! Alright, sweet. Alright, I'll be back. Alright. Just wanted to show you. Did get it off. So it's gonna have to be going this way. No big deal. It's back on. Can't believe I did that. I mean, yes, I actually can believe I did it, but yeah, I don't know. So we'll get this back on there. Screw it right back to the fins. Bam. Connected. Okay. So we're happy now. It's funny is the fan's a little it's a little off kilter. It's weird. Why is that? It's a little tweaked over that way. I don't understand why. Alright, so if I move the fan back, oh, there we go. Move the fan back, then I can make it straight. Alright. So now I just got to flip the truck around and then do the same thing on the back side. I will take these wires and I will route them down, just like how it's supposed to be. It's going to go inside the box. Maybe I should just do that right now. So we are going to go this way. I'm going to feed it right into that. It's got this little channel right here. I just don't have the, well, actually, you know what? I do have screws that I could use, don't I? Might as well, like I said, might as well do this the right way. As much as I can. This wire is supposed to go down into these two little channels right here and here. So if I kick this on its edge like that, then that wire goes into the channel. And look at that. Oh, dude, look at that. That was made for it. Okay. And I can use, I'm going to use some golden screws. Check some depth here. So those need to be pretty short. Just use some more golden screws. I think that works. Yeah, look at that. Factory. I like the golden screws. Kind of gives it a nice look. rcguygarage has been here. The hack. The hack has been here. Let's go ahead and just buzz these in real quick. Cool. Just want to just give it a little tweak. Bam! Down. Golden screws. Wire's in there. It's not coming out. Free to move a little bit. It's got a little bit of freedom. It's got some freedom! Alright. Now, need to go ahead and feed this wire down in there. And that's where it's going to be an issue, isn't it? So what I have to do is I have to feed the wire down in there. So let me switch you around here. So I need to figure out how to get this now in there, because I think there's like a little, there is a spot. If I slide this over, I think I can feed that in there, and then basically do that. Whoa. Then if I take this and move it on down, there it goes. Okay, now I just got to retrieve it. Grab it, pull it through, make sure we're looking good over here. Yep, we are. Pull that in and put it through one of these little wire chase deals. Just enough, man. Alright, so what I need to do now, because I can't see, I'm going to use my phone picture right there. So now when I do this, channel 1, 2, 3, 4, RPM, oh crap, I don't know which one it goes in. Looks like there's some junk in there. There was a little something, a little junk in there. VT, yeah, where the heck does this fan go? Oh crap, I don't know where the fan goes. Is the fan just an automatic always on thing? Oh man. Well, I suppose I could leave the cover off to do a test. So I'm going to leave the thing off to do a test here. I know the black wire is to the outside, red wire is to the inside. I'm going to go ahead and just plug it into channel 5. I'm going to go ahead and power this on, but I'm going to use my little adapter thing here, SPEKTRUM garbage, because I don't know what's going to go on with this thing. And I don't have like a radio or anything. Maybe I should just... Alright, I am back here. Okay, got some batteries. I toss them into the Traxxas remote here. I have no idea what's going to happen. This could be a total mistake right now. I don't think I am ready at all to power this thing on. I just don't know where that's supposed to be. Radio's on. I'm going to click this on. This could be a stinking disaster right now. Oh, what should I do? I'm scared. Let's put this like that. Get this little thing out of here. God, all I've got is a 6-inch pack. Oh, man. This could be bad. So I think I'm going to have this plug like at the edge, so it just connects, and if there's an issue, I will rip cord this thing right out of there. Here we go.
Alright, so where do you think we are in this project? How do you think it's going? It's kind of a good question, right? Coming across some foolish issues that might be because I'm obviously, doing stuff late at night, working hard long days and, all the other garbage. So, but what's your opinion? Right now, this is the end. How do you think we did? Do you think we made it? Do you think we had fire and explosions? What do you think happened? Leave a comment down below. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm just kidding. Here we go. Picking up where we just left off.
That fans are going, but the ESC fan's not going. Why is that? Is that because it doesn't need to? Those things sound sick. Okay. Those are going. This light is flashing. I don't know why. We do have steering. This is wicked sketch. So most likely it's because that fan is stuck. I think this fan is stuck. Oh, it's definitely stuck. Okay. This fan is stuck. Alright, so I gotta see what's up with this. This fan is not moving, and I think it was supposed to. The other thing too is I just don't... I guess those fans should have been... I mean, because we were checking power for that, and that works. So obviously the channel 5 is a good deal, because that works. But this was getting nothing. And is that going to be a pain in the neck now? Alright. I can go ahead and close this up. So I'm good on that. Okay, that felt good. Nice and positive. Good there. And we're good there. Okay. I am going to have to pop this cover. See what we're looking at under here. See what's going on in there. Give it a blowjob. Put this back into place. Just gonna turn it on. Still didn't turn it on. So that fan is definitely not going. And I think it wants to go. It feels like it wants to go. Yeah, it definitely wants to go. Okay. That's a vibration. Okay, that fan's going now. Okay. Alright, so that fan is going now. Get that wire, there we go. Alright, check it again. Okay, it's going. This is making a lot of humming noise. Turn off that remote. Dive these down in here. Now the Traxxas thing is blinking red. Why is that? I don't remember what the red blink means. It's like flashing red, and I don't remember what that means. Or I should say I just don't know what that means, not I don't remember. I could almost assume, like, what did I have this connected up to? Okay, I know that's connected, so maybe that's an ESC calibration. So if that's what that is, I am going to put the, this is where it's going to get a little sketch. It's going to get a little sketchy right now. Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put this X-Max up on some blocks. I'm going to go sideways, put the battery just kind of sitting in there like that for a little bit. That's a 6S, single 6S pack. But what I want to do is I actually want to elevate this X-Max up just in case there's some kind of an odd issue that I just am unaware of. So we got a couple of tires here. That ain't enough. Put this tire there. And that is definitely enough. That's safe. Totally safe. Remote on. It's already on. Remote on. I'm gonna go ahead and hit the set button. Okay. So I think it's full throttle, set, full reverse, set, neutral. It's wrong. Okay. So that's wrong. Okay, so let's try press and hold. So maybe it's neutral. Neutral, full trigger, set, full reverse, set. Okay, so that's what it was. Oh, we're getting ready to hold on here. Oh! I think my mesh is off. Yeah, alright, let's figure out the mesh now. Alright, well, at least the ESC is now connected. But did I just blow apart the gear? I hope I didn't. Definitely moved the gear. That was some torque. Alright. So I've got to I know I'm good now. So what I have to do is I now have to set my gears here. Boy, those are way down in there. Loosen that. Goes the battery. That one. Okay. So I think I can just go ahead and disconnect this. So now that's moving nice and free. Let's set the mesh. I think right there is it. How can I make sure that that doesn't move? So let's set this again. Oh! Disaster! Alright. Both the front and rear. So I'll reset that again. So, get that in there. Because I want to be able to get the driver up and under. Okay. Okay, I think that's it. So it's going to be fun trying to find... Oh, wow, I found it. Okay, this feels so wrong. Okay. That is set. So let's rotate it. Still good. Rotate it. Still good. Rotate it. Still good. Rotate it. Still good. Okay. I think that's it. Mesh seems like it's all right. So I'm going to go ahead and attach those 2 screws for the fan right now. I'm going to take a golden screw this time. It's got a little bit more threads onto it. That bit. Okay. All right, so that's good. Oh, man. Okay. I know we've got power, but man, it's going to go ahead and just connect that up. Remote on. Truck on. Hold on for dear life here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That seems crazy. Ooh. That gear doesn't sound good. Going the right direction. Now, these wheels aren't tight either, so the gear actually, yeah, it seems a little, that's mod 1-ish. I wonder, I'm gonna go ahead and shut it off. I wonder if once I put the other screws in, is that gonna make all the difference? Let's go ahead and just screw down the other side of the motor. Maybe what that will do is settle down the motor mount. Maybe that's the problem that I'm having right now. See if it settles the motor down, motor mount down. Bring in a slightly tighter thing to it. If I just do this, it's a lot easier. I definitely need washers for this. Those weren't tight, so they're tight now. So now let's see what this sounds like. All right, here we go. That seems a little better. Motor mount definitely is now sitting flat. That mesh seems better. Let's go ahead and turn this on again. How come I have no steering? What's happened? Why do I have no steering now? Okay. I have no steering. Why? What the hell happened? I have no steering. I don't even have throttle. What the hell? Oh, putting on the wrong remote. Dummy. I was using the stupid TRX4M remote. Oh, why isn't it working? Oh my god, dude, I'm just losing it. It's way too late again. Alright, here we go. Now it should be, there goes the steering. Alright. Get steering. Ready? Here we go, holding on to the rip bar here. Ah, sounds like a squeaky X-Max. Listen to those squeaks. Listen to that squeak already. Alright. Well, nothing's greased up. I obviously do have to grease up now my front and rear diffs. Everything will be fine. I got to go ahead and I think I did grease inside of there, so that's all set. But I do have to grease my front and rear diffs. I think we're good here. We got the fan of the humming fan going on here. I guess that's fine. That's fine, I guess. 6S, 1 pack. Just got to make sure I don't make the mistake and throw 2 6S packs in there at once. All right, so it does seem like this thing is, it's electrified, man. This thing is stinking electrified now. Wow, that's awesome, dude. I'm psyched. So, now what I can do, get rid of these tires. We are electrified. Absolutely wonderful. It's a wonderful, wonderful thing right now. So what I think I do want to do now, it's 1:56 in the morning. Should be going to bed. I've got the wheelie bar here, right? So this is obviously for the rear. But I have the wing and the wing mount. So this is the front bumper. These are the wing mount bars, and then here's the wing. So the question is will this fit? That's a big, big question. And am I missing parts? Kind of almost seems like I'm missing something here. This looks like I'm missing something, doesn't it? Oh, you Traxxas, dude, are you serious? Like, are you really this petty? I really didn't think I was missing anything. Or maybe I'm not. Okay, no, I'm not. Alright, Jesus. Okay. Oh. Am I missing a centerpiece? Oh, it kind of seems that way. You sons of guns. There's a centerpiece. Oh, Traxxas, you guys. Oh. I am missing something. Seriously. Oh, I'm missing that damn piece. Well, I guess I could at least test fit the stupid thing. Ah, you maggots. Alright, so that screw definitely isn't going to fit. Oh my god. I'm missing that piece. Alright, I don't need those. It's not those. These are the wing. These are too big. Where's the other screws that I got here? Smells like my camera's on fire. You can literally smell the heat of the GoPro. I think it's these. There's only 4 of them, though. Wait a minute, this says Arrma. Oh. I think these are screws you actually have to have. Arrma screws. Oh my goodness. Let's check the depth here. Yeah. Okay. So these drop into there. And then you got one screw that goes this way. So that can be a pretty long one. So that can be one of those long ones. So I'm just going to mock this up into place right now. I should probably screw that in first. So let's get that depth again. Definitely can be one of these long deals. One of these Losi ones. Pop a hole in the bag here. Right like that. And pull this out. I'm going to use the driver just to make quick work of it. Oh. Use the driver with the right bit there, guy. Ah, I can't believe I forgot that. Stupid mount. Okay. So that goes together like that. Oh, I can't believe I forgot that piece, man. Serious. Oh, I'm beating myself up right now. Okay, that's that. That's that. A little tweak. Ooh, damn it. And then I think that's where the these M30s come into place too. So 2 more M30s. I literally can't believe I forgot that middle piece. See, then these go in there, perfect. And then probably a smaller screw here connects to that bumper piece. So let's right now I'm gonna take the truck body, toss it on just to see what happens, because this was the whole deal, was making sure I can kind of still use this truck body here. So, and it definitely doesn't look like I can. I can't. Oh, man. See, the body locks on, but that's massive. Oh, actually, never mind. I'm gonna give... Oh, no, it doesn't fit. Wait a minute. Never mind. I was wrong. If I notch... See, I thought it fit. It wasn't going on all the way. Damn it. I could notch in the body, put a slot right there, and then the wing would fit. See what I'm saying? If I put a slot into the body, then the wing would actually go on. I look like it was going on, but it's not. It's off by 6 or 7 inches. Yeah. It's off. I could trim the wing. It's not like I need that piece. That's the interlock for the other thing. See how the body is kind of... the body is being pinched right there. So that needs to be kind of cut out anyway, because it looks like it would relief. It would give some relief to the body. So if I literally slice it right here, you know what I'm saying? Slice that. Slice it right there. It's basically slicing where... It's basically slicing right here. So if I slice that up, let's give that a shot. There's no going back now. I'm like lit up now. I literally cannot believe that I forgot the middle bumper piece. Oh my God, I'm so ticked at myself. Okay. So I just want to see. Make sure that the front is interlocked. Okay, the front is interlocked. And this can kind of go down. That's not what I want. I'll put this after. Yeah, see? If I could get that. See, it's giving me an odd. Yeah. The front is a little mangled. Okay. Now that body's on there. So that needs to be kind of cut up to there. And then this, I could mold this wing to go around the body, to go around the bed of the truck. I definitely could. I definitely could. I need to cut it at least because the body doesn't fit. So measure twice, cut once. Okay. So right where that little thing is right there, that is where that needs to go. So if I go up to that mark, like that, I can fold it over. Fold it inward. Jaguar pliers. That's what I want to do now. This is all being off camera. What I want to do now is I want to crimp right where that body is, like this, so that it's like double thickness right there. I don't know if this is doing anything. This is just me like thinking out loud. That I can actually tie into the body if I felt like it. Well, lock in that front like that. And then this comes down. Lost the front. Yeah, see, I think I need to cut those little wings off like this. Cut that wing off. Then that kind of slides down and in. Okay. It's kind of there. It's really close. So now, this would kind of need to go into there. If I wanted it to go in. Do I want it to go in, man? If I had it go in, that means I need to cut it more. So I need to cut that out. That means I might have to cut down on the body a little bit more too. Because in order for this to get in there. And I'm being thrown off because I also don't have that support piece there. See, it needs to tuck in. And I kind of like the idea that this isn't deformed. So I almost, like I said, I feel like I'd want to grind the body to fit. Do you know what I'm saying? Like grind the body to fit. It's just that's also where some of the strength of the wing comes from too, though. Is that edge right there. See that? Oh, man. It's not plug and play here. It's not plug and play. I needed that stupid mount. Don't get any ideas. Alright, I think this is where this is going to stop. It's too late. So anyways, this is SKYRC. This was part 10. Probably like a 2-hour video. I don't even know how long this is. It's going to get cut down. I'm looking at the time, and the time says, look at the time, it says 3:50 stinking 9 right there. So 3:59, that's an hour. I know I'll be like editing stuff out, but I'm just too tired, man. Look at it, it's 2:14. You see that? What time is that thing? 2:14, man. That's good enough. I'm tired. I'm tired. Alright, so anyways, rcguygarage, and I guess there's gonna be like a part 11. Damn close, man. We're like there. We're there. Part 11 probably is just going to be like fitting the wing and take it out for a rip. So maybe this kind of works, man. Part 10 was finalizing the electronics and making sure it actually ran. It was probably wicked long and a lot of waste of time. So anyways, I'm not out. I'm in the shop working on my poor man's XRT. It's definitely coming together. This is basically a low center of gravity. Like I said, X-Max RT. That's what I was calling this thing. I was calling it an X-Max RT. And that really is what it is. I feel it's going to have great suspension travel. I just feel it's going to be better than what I had. I really do. So I'm going to bed.